The diamond can be cut in a different way. We can create a oval cut, we can create princess cut, we can create pear shape, we can create, what do we have here? A radiant. There is a certain classic cut we can cut. So if you ask yourself, what is the best diamond cut, diamond shape? Basically, there is no best here. It's very personal preference. If you prefer the round, if you prefer the oval or any other shape, it's very personal. But what we're selling the most for engagement is the round cut. Because people have the experience, whatever was classic 50 years ago, most probably will still be classic 50 years from now. Mostly the round diamond is the most expensive, but the difference is not so big. You can always compensate, compromise quality a little bit. As long as you keep the guideline, you're going to be perfectly safe. Just to keep in mind, there is no good, there is no bad. It's whatever you feel comfortable with, just go for it. Dr. Diamond.